Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who manages clients' calls, meeting, or even consultations, and you are tired of that back and forth messaging just to find time, then today's video is for you. We are diving into one of Google Calendar most underrated feature, the appointment schedule tool. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up and customize it, share your booking link, and even make it look super professional, all without needing any third party apps. Alright, so let's get started into it. First thing first you have to just simply come on this your browser and search for Google Calendar. As you can see here, the first link is came Google Calendar. Just simply click over here. As you can see here, but make sure you are on a computer. This feature isn't available on the phone or iOS yet. Once you are in, hit the create button on the top left corner. A top down menu will appear in front of you. Just simply click on this create, and from here it will appear something like this. Instead of events or reminder, you are going to select appointment schedule. Just simply click on the appointment schedule. Once this opens up a whole new panel that lets you to build a booking system right inside your calendar. No need to sign up for another tool. Now, let's name your appointment schedule. You can go with something broad like consultation call or strategy session. Keep it flexible so it helps keep things easy to manage. For example, I will choose a strategy session. So yeah, now, next thing is duration. As you can see here, appointment duration. Just simply, let's say you are for like, uh, you can choose from 15 minutes to 20 minutes, or you can choose 1 hour, or you can choose as custom as well. I personally like keeping mine at 1.5 hours. So, to have enough breathing room, but I totally depends on your needs. After selecting the appointment duration, now we will select the availability. Let's say you are free from Monday to Friday, 8, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You just enter those hours, and if you want to add a lunch break from 1 p.m. uh, to 30 p.m., you can split your schedule into blocks. For example, right now I am available for uh, Monday to Friday. What I will do, if I want lunch break in the Monday, I will just simply click add another period to this day. So from here I have to change. I have to change to 1 p.m. and from here I have to start 2 p.m. and it will end at 5 p.m. So this is how you can take a lunch break, or you can add one more block to your schedule. So, and the best part, you can duplicate those thing timing across the whole week within a single gig. Just simply copy and paste it over here. Copy. As you can see here, all uh, days are has been copied by Monday, uh, from Monday. So so let's say you are working a weekend shift or taking a day off on a Wednesday. You can just adjust all of that using the adjusted availability settings. For example, just simply click or over here. For example, I want the day off on the Wednesday. What I will do is simply click over here, and you can set up a time as well, or from you can indicate time on specific dates when you are available. So this is like from one I'm you have to choose the name, sorry, you have to choose the timing. Choose the timing when from where you are not available at that day. So you can choose that too. If you are someone who doesn't like getting last minute booking, or you can even set a schedule window. For example, maybe you want to allow booking up to 60 days in advance and no later than 24 hours before the appointment. What you can do is just simply click on this schedule video window, where start, you have to choose start to end. From here you can choose days in advance. For example, I will choose 40 days, and the maximum time before the appointment start that it can be booked, which is I will be 24. So this is what this is the hour where the appointment has to be booked before the 24 hours, after 24 hours. So this is a lifesaver if you need time to prepare between session or simply don't want to surprise showing up on your calendar last minute. So the second thing is adding buffering and booking limits. One of my favorite feature is is the buffer time. You can add, let's say, 10 minutes between appointment, perfect for a quick break, grabbing a water or just catching your breathing. To access the buffer timing, you what you have to do is just simply open this booking appointment setting. From here you can just simply add time between appointment slot. Just click on check, and for example I want some breathing time from one session to second session, which is 60 minutes. I can do that too. So it will make what you will do is to after one session, uh, there is a time will come which is buffer time where you can take some breathe, you can drink a tea, whatever you want to do in 60 minutes. So after that, you can maximum booking per day. You can set a limit how many booked appointment to accept in a single day. For example, I don't want to do sessions more than five. So what I will do, just simply enter the five uh, and hit over the next. So you can set a maximum number of booking per day. Maybe you're only available for 3 appointments per day or 5 appointments per day. You can set that too. After that, click on the next, and this is where your make your booking page really shine. Just simply click over here. So from here you can add your name and profile photo, choose whether it is in person or phone or Google meeting, video meeting, add a location or custom message, and you can write a short description explaining what the appointment is about. For example, you could say this is 1 hour consultation cover brand strategy, audience targeting, and next step. So just simply click over here from booking page photo and name. Just simply you can here change your name and your photo as well. Now from here you can change the location and like for example, and you can change select how and where to meet. You can do in the Google Meet as well, in person meeting, and you have to add a location, add your location here. So after that you can add a description showing explaining what the appointment is for. So and last is booking form. You can customize the form that people use to book an appointment: first name, surname, email address. You can add one more items, which is custom item, whatever you want to. For example, I want to know which company there is, so company name. Just simply add item, so it will add item. Yes, if you are in a Google Workspace, you can unlock even more features. You can add payment integration via Strip, enable email verification, and set up automated reminder to reduce no-shows. Even if you are in the free plan, these basic features alone are pretty powerful. So you don't need to worry about adding your more payments system. Once you are done setting it up, hit save button and your booking page is ready. Just simply click on the save, and as you can see here there is an option on the share. You can just click on the share button to grab your link. You can embed this into your website, email it to clients, or even add it to your Instagram bio. Anyone with the link can view your available time slot and book instantly. So even Every booking someone makes will show up automatically on your calendar. No need to add manually input anything. And you can still check for conflicts. Google Calendar can compare your other events you if you are not double booked by accident. And that's it. You just turn your Google Calendar into full-fledged booking system. No extra tools, no coding, no anything. Whether you are a coach, freelancer, teacher, or just someone who wants more control over their time, this appointment schedule feature is game changer. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching.